Hey everyone, welcome back to the Johnny Bike UK. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting dirt bikes of 2025, the Kawasaki KX 500. That's right, the legendary 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke is back, and it's bigger, badder, and more advanced than ever. If you're a fan of raw power, aggressive motocross performance, and pure adrenaline, this one's for you. Let's get into it. A legendary comeback. For years, riders have been begging for the return of the KX 500, and Kawasaki finally answered. The original KX 500 was an absolute beast, dominating motocross and desert racing in the 80s and 90s. Now, in 2025, Kawasaki brings it back with modern technology while staying true to its hardcore roots. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 KX 500 is a newly developed 499 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine with fuel injection, a major upgrade from the old carbureted models. This means smoother power delivery, better fuel efficiency, and easier tuning. It still delivers that brutal, arm-ripping torque, but now with improved control and throttle response. Expect over 70 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful dirt bikes in its class. Chassis and suspension. Kawasaki has built the KX 500 around a lightweight aluminum frame, inspired by the KX 450. This makes handling more precise while keeping the bike stable at high speeds. The suspension setup includes KYB AOS forks and a fully adjustable rear shock, tuned for motocross, enduro, and desert racing. Whether you're launching off jumps or blasting through sand dunes, this bike can handle it. Modern features. Unlike its predecessor, the new KX 500 embraces modern technology. It features electric start, no more kicking over a massive 500 cubic centimeters engine. Hydraulic clutch, for smoother shifting and better durability. Launch control, helping you get the perfect start on race day. Selectable ride modes, adjust power delivery based on terrain and riding style. Braking and handling. With all that power, you need serious stopping power. The Brembo braking system provides precise control, with a large front disc and a strong rear brake to keep you in check. Combined with the lightweight chassis, this makes the KX 500 surprisingly nimble for a big bore two-stroke. Who is this bike for? The 2025 KX 500 isn't for beginners. This bike is built for experienced riders who crave power. It's perfect for motocross, desert racing, and hardcore trail riding. If you're looking for the ultimate adrenaline machine, this is it. Final thoughts. Kawasaki has done the unthinkable, bringing back the KX 500 in a way that respects its legacy while pushing it into the future. With modern tech, improved handling, and insane power, it's ready to dominate once again. What do you think of the 2025 Kawasaki KX 500? Is this the ultimate two-stroke comeback? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle content. See you in the next video. Ride safe.